Welcome to Ashley and John. We are doing a Love Is Not Canceled wedding, micro wedding ceremony today. We are here, we're excited, we're pumped and ready to go. So follow along to seeing some behind the scenes of us capturing this wedding. All right, let's go. I'm not the biggest fan of doing it out here, but I actually like it because the shadow looks good.
Hi, you look beautiful. Good. Okay. All right, go ahead and pin it on him.
Am I good?
Yep, you're good.
Just want to get some of the hands. And can you adjust it and play with it a little bit?
Man, she got it on the first go.
It's just nice to get
So
this stuff.
sweet.
This stuff is footage added to the film.
Awesome.
Can you guys look at each other? Same pose and just look at each other?
Awesome. There's like that line right
Yep.
there you just stand on, and then John, you'll just kind of offset.
Yep. I love when couples invite photographers and videographers to the rehearsal, because usually when you go to the rehearsal, it's just the officiant, the couple, or the bridal party, and you don't really get a sense of what the photographer and videographer needs during the rehearsals. Having one person versus two, because it was like, oh, it'd be nice to get a gimbal shot of them walking in, but 2 cameras, still shots, that's all we need.
These shirts are awesome. I think you this time.
So I like to put the couple, or the bride, right in front of the window, get a natural light. You can look down a little bit and close your eyes if you want. Just think about your entire year, everything that you've had to go through to get through right now. But then you have your man of your dreams just waiting at the end of the aisle.
We're here shooting their first wedding of the summer.
Super excited.
So excited. It feels
And a
like
little
we did.
nervous.
Yeah, a little nervous, but we got this.
We got this. So this is going to be an unmanned camera. I'm going to have to put the aperture up high. Here we go.
Hey, baby. All right.
I do a 2 to 3 camera shot today. I only have 2 cameras, and it's a low-key ceremony. Oh yes, yeah. So
I'm gonna give you my card too.
oh, thank you. Yes.
Yeah.
So I think we're gonna have him stand here. Devin thought just having it lined up with a lamp and all that.
Yeah, and where should she go?
I think John wanted to stand. He'll stand here, and then Ashley would stand over here.
Perfect.
I might cross in front of you at least once, just to get my camera to that side. It's always important to talk to the photographer before here she comes.
John was no longer thinking with his head, but with his heart and soul. Ashley, John loves that you are sensitive and caring, but you also are rock. Marriage is a partnership, a contract between 2 people. It lives and breathes, and the love absolutely continues to grow. Enjoy every day of your life.
Okay, Ashley, John, Greg, and Judy. Okay. Next, Ashley, John, Brian, Ronald, and Masha. Now we can go out. Great. Awesome. Good job. I just want to find like some nice open green space. Greenery, like some evergreens or ferns, or if I can find it. Okay, perfect, guys. John, do you have something in your pocket? Can you take it out? All right, look at each other. Bring your noses in a little bit closer. Yeah. Yeah, give me another kiss there, a little bit slower. Cute. Now bring your noses together and like almost kiss her. Oh, can I touch your hair? Yeah. Looking good. Okay, give her a kiss. Awesome. Nice, you guys can just look at each other. I'm just gonna focus on the ring here. Woo! That was so fun. You did great. All right, that's it really for us. You guys want anything else? Good, enjoy the rest of your wedding day. Oh, we just finished shooting a beautiful micro wedding for Ashley and John. Today was just so beautiful with them and their family and the intimate celebration we got to be a part of. We started with some getting ready and then did a first look with the bride and her dad, and then a really nice personal ceremony after that. And then we just capped everything off with some couples portraits and a really fun champagne pop with them at the end. And I'm so excited to work on previews, and it feels so good to be out here, especially at the Ryland Inn. It was absolutely stunning, and the team here was just so helpful and amazing. So yeah, it feels good to be here with Alan, Murphy Studio, MVP on the video side. So everything ended up working out great.